Hi everyone. Welcome back to the lessons of HTML with Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In this session of HTML, we will be learning what are listing tags, different types used in HTML, and also learn how to use ordered list tags, that is, ordered and nested ordered list. So what is a list? As we already know, a list of things is a set of data, which all belong to a particular category, written down one below another. HTML allows you to insert list of items as per how you want to display it. Now, list tags are classified into three types. They are ordered list, unordered list, and the last is definition list. We will go through each of the topic practically. Starting with ordered list, we will see its definition first. If you are required to put your items in a numbered list instead of bulleted list, then HTML ordered list will be used. The numbering starts at 1 and is incremented by 1 for each successive ordered list element. Let us see how to perform the listing in HTML. Starting with Notepad++, I have already typed the main structure, so jumping to ordered list. We start the ordered listing by using the tag OL in angle brackets. It is container tag, hence accompanied with closing tag. Inside this, we use another tag, called list items, given as LI in the angle brackets, is used to display the items for the given ordered list. This is also a container tag. Let us assign some values to these list item tags. Save the page with .html extension, and check the output. As you can see, the text automatically gets the list numbers. Now, using an attribute of ordered list tag, we can change which kind of addressing we would like to give to the text. The attribute name is type, in which you can set following different values. The default value of listing is normal numbers. Next type is small Roman numbers. Capital Roman numbers. And alphabets, which can be uppercase or lowercase. Next attribute of ordered list is start, which allows you specify from which number you want to start the listing. This is how you get the output. After this, we have nested ordered list, which is commonly known as multi-level listing. To apply this on your web page, this is how you go about in the code. Follow the same method of typing a list as we did in ordered list. Only difference here is, you will have to start with the next ordered list before closing the first. This can be done as many times as you need. Check to see the multi-level listing. Here as well, you can set whatever value for the type attribute, as it's shown in this section. With this, we will end this session. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.